Well, that I try to we try to do in La Manga is that all teams start work together. Okay, you know that the team is new. Every players need to understand the philosophy of coach, and we don't have a lot of time for work. Okay, 3 weeks is a lot of time for works, and one month and 2 months we are working. But I think that when the players are new, we must do. Use the time very good. Okay, for this, our philosophy of training, we work every day thinking in what the players need for play like coach want. Okay, if coach want play football with a good playing from behind, we need to do the fitness coach need to do skills that can help the player to continue working and tactical working, okay? Continue working in physical and tactical, okay? For in parameters, physical parameters, okay? All the players, the first thing that you can see is that the players can recover very good from the efforts, okay? You can play one match today, and maybe we can play a match in 2 or 3 days very good, okay? In the beginning it's impossible because the players don't have a very good endurance and they don't have a good strength in their legs, and he feel tired, he feel pains. Now the players feel good. In our philosophy, the most important thing is not sprint very fast, is think very fast and can run in the exactly speed that the player need, okay? You can run very fast, but if the ball is there, it's impossible to use the ball, okay? You must go fast, but thinking in the ball, thinking in the opponent, thinking in everything. For this, we training a lot in that the player make a good decisions and all the time thinking in this.
We have seen, of course, Indian players' fitness level as compared to the fitness level of the foreigners from top countries like Spain. They are different ball games. So, how do what processes do you put in place to improve the fitness level of Indian players?
Well, Indian players have a very good level of fitness. Yes, I think
Is it the same?
The same?
Same as the Spanish players?
It's different. It's different. Okay, that I try to explain is that okay, we work for individual players. I need to improve the performance of one player and then the other players, all the players, but individually. Okay, maybe one player need to improve the endurance. Maybe one player need to improve the strength, explosiveness, everything. Okay, now. It's different the capacity because genetic is different because the training of the last years is different. Maybe in Spain, the association with
Coach Sergio Lobera. How long have you been working with?
We are working for 12 years. 12 years ago. Yes, we have a very good, very long relation and very good relation too. And okay, we work together, but we are friends too now. Yes.
Now, you also have other members in the support staff, with a lot of medical team members, Indians as well. So overall, how is the backroom department here?
Well, I'm very happy, and coach are very happy with the staff of the team. Okay, the medical staff is working very good. The second assistant coach Derek Pereira is working very good. We are very happy with the staff. We are happy with the work of the people who is near to the team. Everything is good, and now we only want to start the season now.